In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an ERPNext partner. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information you need to provide to get started with the ERPNext partner program. First, open your web browser and go to the official Frappe Partners page. In the address bar, type in frappe.io/partners and press enter. Make sure you spell it correctly and that you're on the official website, because this is where all the partner details and application options are hosted. Once the page loads, you'll see information about the partner ecosystem and what it means to be an ERPNext partner. Take a moment to glance through this page if you'd like a bit more context, but when you're ready to start the process, look for the option that says Become a Partner. This is usually presented as a button or a clear call to action on the partners page. Go ahead and click on Become a Partner. After clicking that, you'll be taken to a section that shows the different partner plans or tiers. This page helps you understand the various levels of partnership and what each one includes, such as benefits, requirements, or expectations. When you're ready to move forward, look for the button labeled Join Us. Click on Join Us to start the actual sign-up process. Now you'll be brought to a form or registration page where you need to fill in your details. This is the most important part of the process, so take your time here. You'll typically be asked for information about your company, your contact details, and possibly some background on your business, such as your experience with ERP implementations or related services. Carefully fill in each required field, making sure all the information is accurate and up to date. Double check your email address and phone number so the team can reach you without any issues. As you complete each section, follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts will guide you through the remaining steps, which may include confirming your information, accepting terms and conditions, and submitting your application. Once you've followed all the prompts and submitted the form, your application to become an ERPNext partner is on its way. Keep an eye on your email for any